Today I'm creating a giant slice of lemon meringue pie out of cake. I'm gonna soak it with some lemon simple syrup. Fill in this outline that I created with some more buttercream. Take 2 more slices and I'll just line up the points here. So this is my final cake layer. I'll give it 1 more soak with this lemon simple syrup. So I'll cut off 1 large piece. I'm gonna grab a piece of parchment paper, lay it right over top. So I'm just gonna frost the entire sides of the cake. Flip it over, I'll peel off the parchment. So I need to roll out some modeling chocolate to create the crust for this pie. Cut away this modeling chocolate to make that crust effect. Tuck the whole thing under just like this. Just basically carve the entire thing so that it tapers all the way from the top of the tip down towards the base. Just actually just add a little bit of this extra cake right to the front. Sculpt it into place with your hands. So now that this giant meringue section is in place, I'm actually gonna frost it with meringue. I need to torch the top of this meringue. This looks so much more awesome than I ever thought it would. It's a lot of cake.